Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Have you ever dreamed of unlocking the secrets of the globe? Well, I'm here to introduce you to your new favorite channel. Welcome to GlobeGazette, where we bring you the best travel tips, destination guides, and insider info to make your adventures unforgettable. In this channel, we're tackling an important but sometimes intimidating topic: how to apply for visas. Whether you're planning a trip to the majestic landscapes of Canada, the bustling cities of Asia, or destinations in between, we've got you covered. We'll share essential tips for making the process smooth and stress-free, as well as recommendations on the best places to travel, tips for new or solo travelers, and the top spots to retire. Imagine diving into the vibrant aromatic markets of Marrakech or exploring the untouched, breathtaking landscapes of Patagonia. And it's not just about the destinations. At GlobeGazette, we dive deep into the rich culture, delectable cuisine, and the incredible people that make each place unique. We believe that travel is about more than just seeing new places, it's about experiencing them. Every week, we'll bring you new stories, from the bustling streets of Toronto, Canada, to the serene, sun-kissed beaches of Krabi, Thailand. We'll share tips on how to travel better, cheaper, and smarter. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting out, GlobeGazette is your go-to channel for all things travel. So please subscribe to our new travel channel and press the notification bell button to stay updated with our latest adventures. Don't miss out on any of our adventures. It's time to explore the world, one incredible destination at a time. Join us and unlock the secrets of the globe. See you on the next journey, travel lovers. Pack your bags, grab your camera, and let's make some unforgettable memories with GlobeGazette. Adventure awaits. Remember, our videos are based on thorough research and some personal experiences to ensure you get the best advice and insights. Once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your adventure starts here with GlobeGazette.